Start cameras. Action! There are a lot of traits which people say that, that's expected of a Hindi film hero. He's supposed to be tall, he's supposed to be good looking, he's supposed to have the right kind of physique, he can dance, he can ride the horse, he can do fight sequences, and he can romance around trees. But that's how a lot of people told me that I would never be a Hindi film hero, because I don't have any of those qualifications. So any kind of physicality or training that people talk about, I think is completely immaterial or is not expected of a Hindi film hero. And as a matter of fact, if you do see Hindi film heroes down the line, most of them have been rather unconventional from what is conventionally considered a hero type.
There are certain virtues which define an Indian film hero. He should be the Adarsh Purush. There's a word peculiar to Indian cinema, which Sri Ram, the great Ram, the god Ram, used to be called the Adarsh Purush, which is the perfect male, which means that he should be the perfect son, because the family and the parent structure is very important in India. He should be the ideal husband, ideal lover, ideal warrior. His personal character is very strong, but he's always helping the others around. He's really not judging. He's not judging people by their circumstances, by their birth. He judges the villain because by his actions, he's a negative guy, So he's quite fascinating, this Indian hero. And he's really the best of what a man should be.
The hero definitely has to have very, very strong values. He has to be strong, honest, and there has to be certain kind of vulnerability and innocence. That kind of thing has to be there, and still be mischievous and have a certain kind of strength, internal strength. That is the definitely minimum thing which the hero should have.
खमा महाराज। शाबाश सरदार जय तिलक हाड़ा, हम तुम्हारी जीत से बहुत खुश हुए। बहन, ये वो देहाती हैं जो अम्न के जमाने में अपने हल से जमीन का सीना चीरकर हमारा पेट पालते और मैदान जंग में इसी हल की तलवार बनाकर राज की रक्षा करते।
Basically, if you see the larger perspective of it, is the values, the honesty, the looks, everything should be like attractive. There has to be something, it cannot be, there is a certain kind of, the extra edge if you want, you have to have a certain kind of sexuality also, which is very, very important in a hero.
Raj.
Rita.
तुम?
12 वर्ष के बाद।
कितने बदल गए हो तुम?
और तुम जरा भी नहीं बदली।
कहाँ खो गए थे राज?
तुम्हारी तलाश में। आखिर तुम मिल ही गई।
और तुम मिले भी, तो मैं तुम्हें चोर समझी।
इसमें तुम्हारा कसूर नहीं, मेरी सूरत ही ऐसी है।
राज,
you know, because our values are so strong in Indian culture that, you know, you want all your children to grow up to be Rams, and you want all your children to grow up to be lawyers and engineers, and so when they have to look at a character on the characteristics of a Hindi film hero, he should, even if he's not playing a lawyer or is Ram in the film, somewhere along the line it should be just the goodness. And he's a nice guy.
चाहे आसमान टूट पड़े, चाहे धरती फूट जाए, चाहे हस्ती ही क्यों न मिट जाए, फिर भी मैं
तेरे घर के सामने एक घर बनाऊंगा, तेरे घर के सामने दुनिया बसाऊंगा, तेरे घर के सामने एक घर बनाऊंगा, तेरे घर के सामने। में वफाएं हो तो तूफान किनारा है, बिजली हमारे लिए प्यार का इशारा है, तन मन लुटाऊंगा, तेरे घर के सामने दुनिया बसाऊंगा, तेरे घर के सामने।
Some of my early exposures to Indian cinema were with, you know, the likes of Dilip Kumar and Devanand and Raj Kapoor and these actors, as is the format in Indian cinema, have always portrayed the good man. They wore wonderful clothes, they were handsome, tall, strong, good-looking men. They had beautiful women next to them. They idolized the beauty of these women. They fell in love with them. They fought bravely, they rode horses, they were very, had a great demeanor about them, the way they carried themselves, their swords and their guns or whatever it was. And they spoke the best lines in the film. And they came out looking good.
बात ये नीना कि मुझे नज़ला हो गया। ये फूल सिर्फ आप पर ही खिलता है राजन बाबू। जी आप तो तकल्लुफ करते हैं। साहब मुझसे ज्यादा ये आप पर सजता है। ये मेरी सजावट नहीं, आपकी नजर का धोखा है। मैं आज यहां से जा रहा हूं राजन बाबू, मगर जाने से पहले ये गलतफहमी दूर कर देना चाहता था। पुजारी जो फूल एक बार अपने देवता पर चढ़ा देता है, वो फूल वो फिर कभी किसी और पर नहीं चढ़ा। छोड़िए, क्या रखा है इन बातों में।
Raj Kapoor is our greatest showman.
और अब वो पुजारी ही कहाँ है?
I loved him as a hero. I feel he was a great talent as an actor. And Shammi Kapoor had his own style, presence, personality, looks, and as I said, the kind of sexuality, which the grace, the style. I think he's one of the first heroes to really get that kind of sexuality on screen. Very aggressive and very obvious sexuality. Otherwise, in the past, they were very subtle. The sexuality was very subtle. You know, the looks and the aggression was very subtle. But this, he really, went all out. And people, the girls and the teenagers, for the first time, really lapped him up. Something which happened to, the Elvis Presley or to a certain extent when Marlon Brando was on Hollywood screen, or James Dean, that kind of thing. And Shammi Kapoor was one of them.
बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिलरुबा। टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो। ओ बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिलरुबा। टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो।
the Hindi film hero is not stereotype. He's a hero type. This I tell everyone. He's not a stereotype. It's not like he should be doing this, this, this. Because if he was stereotype, unstereotypes like me would never be able to make it to Hindi films. So he's a hero type. Now when I say a hero type, it ranges from someone like Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhi Ji, Mother Teresa, to Mandela, to anybody. It could be a very broad base. So it's up to the actor finally, because we don't give a stream of thought to the character. He should be, I guess, the boy next door, and he should be the kind of person that mothers want to have as a son. He should be the kind of person that sisters want to have as a brother, and girls want to have as a boyfriend.
रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए। रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए।
तेरा क्या ये? खोल के देखना। क्या ये? अपने धंधे में आना तू, जरूरत पड़ेगी।
मगर मुझे तो चलानी नहीं आती है।
कौन सा तेरे को कंपटीशन में जाना है? हैं? फर्स्ट प्राइज लेनी है क्या तेरे को? अपने धंधे में क्या है ना, खोपड़ी से 2 इंच दूर रखने की। उसके बाद बूम, सलाद, एकदम मक्खन। साली जर्मन मेड है। रख ले, रख ले।
Definition of a hero has changed now in Hindi cinema. It's or is changing somewhere. Earlier, a hero used to come and people used to clap because they knew that this man is going to make that villain's life hell. There was certain kind of expectation from that hero. If hero is saying something, they used to listen to it. There used to be major action sequences and everything. And everything about it was very, very unreal. He's still God for me, and I still carry that childhood, impression about Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
It's like many mythological stories come together and get sort of condensed into a hero. Like say, the hero is seen as vulnerable but powerful. So you can have Arjun, you can have Bhim, you can have combination of Krishna. Now you combine all these characters into one, then you find the hero. He is supposed to be good looking, tall, slim, with voice which arouses sexuality, which arouses sensuousness, and a bit of a mystery, which are all stuff of fantasies.
Chumma chumma de de, chumma chumma de de, chumma 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 de de, chumma chumma de de, chumma जुम्मे के दिन किया जुम्मे का वादा, जुम्मे को तोड़ दिया जुम्मे का वादा, ले आ गया रे फिर जुम्मा 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 दे दे जुम्मा
You bring all this together and you have a ready-made fantasy for the audience. Simultaneously, it evokes the stories from childhood. That the strength, whether attention, learning, wiliness, form in which the guy is always invincible. He has a way out. He has a method to deal with any situation. These are mythological figures from all these characters.
तू चला जा यहाँ से, तेरा मेरा कोई वास्ता नहीं। तू जा, टाइगर मर चुका है, मर चुका है।
I think this whole debate upon leading men following a particular routine which is reflective of the age or a genre or a particular cult is really a lot of hogwash. cinema is a commercial entity. If you are doing good in a particular role, and you've been identified in it, and you've been appreciated in it, you jolly well keep doing the same thing. It so happened that my body and my face and my demeanor got identified with this character that was written by somebody else. I'm not like that character. I'm far removed from it. But because, as I said, I have to perform for a job, I performed it to the best of my ability. That somehow succeeded. End of story.
साला अपना नसीब ही गड़बड़ा है.
You know, I'm giving you examples which were prevalent in 70s. That the hero will just walk in. And because people like him, they will clap. Those days are gone when, like even if you see the crowd around me just now, if you saw Mr. Bachchan walk in, there'll be a different kind of awe with him, which is not here. You know, they think of me as someone who's part of them. Hey, Shahrukh, kya hai? Theek hai, mast. So they're all like that. So that kind of realization is happening with the audience, with the filmmakers, with the actors, and the whole film scenario. So what is really required is, instead of me telling you that you need to know how to dance, or you just need to tell people that, look, here I am, and I'm going to take you on a fantasy trip, and make it as believable in the entertaining sense as possible. The Hindi film hero or heroine do much more in terms of the variety that we have to do in one film. Is much more than any kind of actor in any cinema in the world. I can say that with a full conviction, because you have to do a lot more, and you have to make scenes work, you have to make unidentifiable situations look identifiable, and make fun of ourselves, which would require fall on a banana peel, or, you know, completely slapstick, and it isn't one film. It's not that you're doing a Jim Carrey kind of a film, or you're doing a Robert De Niro kind of a film. We're doing all kinds of film in one film.
तो जानवर तेरे अंदर जागा हुआ है, वो मेरे अंदर अभी तक सो रहा है, उसे जगाने की भूल मत करना.
Mixture of so many things, especially an Indian hero, to very, very difficult. He has to dance, he has to laugh, he has to make you laugh, he has to cry. You cannot have only one characteristic, you know. He has to be an all-rounder.
पैर नीचे लेना. अबे तो पैर देख रहा है, पिक्चर देख रहा है, चला के देख. अरे अपन भी टिकट खरीदेला है. टिकट लिया तो क्या थिएटर तेरे बाप का हो गया क्या? लड़की साथ में तो हीरो बनता है. हीरो? अबे तेरी तो तेरे दिखाता हूँ मैं. उठ बे. क्या बोला तू? हाथ मत लगा.
The ideal mix, I would say, is realism with a little bit of flair. Cinema is storytelling. So if the audience believes the character, believes in the character, and gets lost in the character or in the film, you know, it depends on the believability. So the believability is high. The audience starts reacting emotionally to the film, to the characters. So it is important to be real. And then if you do it with a flair, then it's also exciting to watch. So that's the mix really that is required.
ऐसा जख्म दिया है जो ना फिर भरेगा, हर हसीन चेहरे से अब ये दिल डरेगा. हम तो जान देकर यूं ही मर मिटे थे, सुन लो ऐ हसीनों ये हमसे अब न होगा. ऐसा जख्म दिया है जो ना फिर भरेगा हर हसीन चेहरे से अब ये दिल डरेगा हम तो जान देकर यूं ही मर मिटे थे सुन लो ऐ हसीनो ये हमसे अब न होगा ऐसा जख्म दिया है.
There are no superstars left now because I would say that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan was the last superstar who ruled for 25 years. And one generation after Amitabh Bachchan which has come, it didn't give any superstar. They were as good as their last film, and that was it. People want certain kind of realism on the screen. They don't want to see. They don't want film people making them a fool. And they don't want those values, those moralities. They hate it. Anything which is stopping them from, making it in their real life, they don't want that. And that's why they don't want their hero to behave in a very idealist way.
At the moment, India is a hero-starved nation. It's a nation dying for heroes. That's why you have a Tendulkar, who is perhaps the biggest hero today. And the nation is waiting for more heroes. And unfortunately, you don't have a big star like you had back in time, like Dilip Kumar, Dev Saab, and Rajesh. I think Amitabh was the last big guy we had.
I feel a Hindi film hero has to be blessed, first of all. So there are millions of people, it's all over the world and especially in India. And you have to be blessed, more than the talent, more than the luck. Someone, because, everybody is like a normal human being, but some blessing from, otherwise why God chooses only 5 or 6 people to become heroes?
ये फिल्मों के सितारे देखो निकले चमक के सारे ये सबका दिल बहलाए मैं इनका दिल बहलाऊं ये सबका दिल बहलाए मैं इनका दिल बहलाऊं हीरोइन से टकराया हीरो को गुस्सा आया हो यारों का मयार दुश्मनों का दुश्मन मत धनाधन जानी जनार्दन तररम पम 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 हर जानी जनार्दन तररम पम 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 पम.
And Channel 4's Bollywood Chartbusters continues on Wednesday with the story of the villager who commits the ultimate sin. He falls in love with a city girl. Virasat is at 2:35.